This is an unboxing video of a Propex 2000 heater for campers, trucks, caravans, everything. Van's getting too cold in the winter, family don't want to sit in it, so we've bought one of these. So I thought I'd do an unboxing of it because I don't think there's many unboxing videos of these heaters. So let's crack it open carefully, one-handed. So yeah, this is going in a van. It's a day van, it's not a camper, so purely just for trips out. So heat source. Okay, there it is. LPG ducted air heating system specifically designed for motorhomes, caravans, boats, utility vehicles. HS, just reading it on there. It's the gas it takes. Propex Heating, Leisure Limited, based in Ringwood. Gas, butane, propane. I'll be using propane. Simple reason is I wanted a small bottle. Camping gas bottles, the 901s and 907s, they're just like really expensive to refill, so I've got a propane 3.9 kilo. It's a smallish, smaller than the 4.5 calorie bottle, so yeah, that's what I'll be doing. Anyway, let's have a look and see what we get. Should be that complete kit. There we go. So these are the vents, quite big. Let's put that down there. Move this over here, give it a bit more space. That is the exhaust pipe. Flexible. Yeah. So we've got the exhaust pipe. Another vent. One's for the hot air, and one is for the air intake, or the cold air, something like that. Find out, won't I? It's the instructions. Engineered for comfort and reliability. You can get diesel heaters, but they're a bit more fiddly and they kind of need a little bit more servicing. In here should be, I think this is the template. I'll have a read the instructions later, but I've got quite a bit of work to do to get the thing installed. But this is the unboxing video, so gosh, this is difficult. There we go. So you get this template. These are the drills. The holes you've got to drill. So you've got exhaust outlet and combustion air inlet. And the mounting plates that hold the thing, and then we've got the, I think it's hot air out, and then the cold air in. Anyway, let's have a look at that later. So that's the instructions. We've got all the fixings here. So these are the two mounting plates together. Jubilee clips. The connector, the gas, screws, other Jubilee clips and stuff. And then here we've got, I don't know what we've got, let's have a look. I'm doing this one-handed so the camera angle, I'm going to put the camera down when I do this, rather than cut my fingers off. That's the, we'll open it, it's thermostat. So these are the new thermostats you get with these now. Nice, clicky, it feels quality actually. That's the connector, be a line connecting to that. So you've got like off, just the fan only pumping in cold air, or the burner heater, and then you've got the different heat levels as well as the operational lights I think that's the lockout or kind of safety light if it's not far enough for whatever reason. Fault light maybe. So yeah, that's the thermostat. Then we have the heater itself. Trying to do this one-handed again. I was looking at second-hand ones on eBay, but I kind of thought, why don't we just buy a new one? It'll outlast vans easily, won't it? This will probably go into 2 to 3 different vans, I would have thought. So yeah, this is the actual unit itself. There we go. This camera's a bit, I'm not using my phone at the moment, but I'm having trouble focusing on that. Sorry about that. Yeah, heat source. That's the exhaust one. That. That's what's inside. Not sure you can see. It's electronics. That is the heat one, I think. And then plenty of warning signs everywhere. Don't quote me, but intake, exhaust, and then the gas feed on the side of the unit here. So it is a Heatsource 2000, HS2000 heater, suitable for use in boats when supplied with correct fitting. Yeah, I read something quite interesting about this. People were talking about boats and how they want a decent heater for their boat, and this guy was saying, yeah, Propex heaters or like gas heaters are fine, but obviously, whereas a camper van or a day van or a caravan, you can drill the hole in the bottom of the floor near the device and also near the gas bottle to allow the gas to drop out should there be a leak. On a boat you can't do that, obviously, so yeah, that made me think about a few things. Anyway, that is it. That is the unboxing of the Propex heater, the Heatsource butane propane heater. So thermostat, we've got the 2 vent covers, the exhaust. Tell you what we are missing. Where's the air intake? Oh, I nearly finished without showing everything. There was a few bits missing. Right, we got that, which I believe is the combustion air intake, which goes on one of these, that one. We've got the power cable, so we've got a positive and negative, and then the connector. So that must plug into here somewhere. That cardboard type hose is the that's interesting, because when I've seen the pictures and videos, I can't remember seeing that inside. So that is foil covered out on the inside, and then this cardboard tube on the outside. So that would be the heat one, which that's too big, go on there like that. I'm just wondering why that they're the same size, but it's missing the adapter. It's missing that bit on there. Thought I'd use the same tube, don't know. Anyway, and that is the connector for the thermostat. I'm making a bit of a mess. Yeah, so that would plug into there. and then this goes to the heater itself. I think that is absolutely it now. I haven't missed anything else out, so it's a bit messy, but that was my unboxing of a Propex heater. So I hope you enjoyed that. If you'd like to subscribe, click on here. If you want to watch some of my other videos, click on here, here,